Wide Area Network WAN. A wide area network WAN is geographically dispersed telecommunications network. The term WAN distinguishes a broader telecommunication structure from a local area network LAN. A wide area network may be privately owned or rented, but the term usually connotes the inclusion of public shared user networks. An intermediate form of network in terms of geography is a metropolitan area network. Computer systems connected to a wide area network are often connected through public networks such as telephone system. They can also be connected through leased lines or satellites. Wide area networks WANs combine the continuous error detection and correction techniques included in synchronous communications with robust network problem determination and data routing to form powerful backbones that ensure high quality, reliable service for end users. The largest WAN in existence is the Internet. These networks allow multiple users to access a variety of host computer systems simultaneously through the same physical medium, while separating each user's session so that no user is aware of another on the network. Wide area networks also operate at speeds much higher than the 19,200 BPS limit of normal voice-grade telephone lines. It is possible to enter data for sales and transaction at the point of sale terminals using WANs. It is also possible to centralize this data in a computer system for processing or reporting purposes. For example, supermarkets in advanced countries connected through WANs can send all the sales data from their remote sales centers, and the central purchase and distribution center can monitor all the sales figures on a day-to-day basis. Characteristics of WAN. Computer systems connected to WAN are often connected through public networks, such as the telephone system, through network service provider. A WAN spans a long distance. Transmission across a WAN is usually slower than on a LAN. WANs rarely use broadcast, multi-access technologies. WANs are usually composed of leased lines and telecommunication circuits. WANs are not usually used to connect computer system workstations or servers. WANs are often used to interconnect data centers. WAN, point-to-point links. A point-to-point link provides a single pre-established WAN communications path from the customer premises through a carrier network, such as a telephone company, to a remote network. Point-to-point lines are usually leased from a carrier, and these are called leased lines. From a point-to-point line, the carrier allocates pairs of wire and facilitates hardware to the user's line only. These circuits are generally priced based on bandwidth required and distance between the two connected points. Point-to-point links are generally more expensive than shared services such as frame relay. WAN circuit switching. Circuit switching is a data transfer method that involves establishing a dedicated circuit within a network. A circuit made of communication lines between the sending nodes and receiving nodes is reserved at the time of communication so that the data can be sent over. The circuit is freed again when the transmission is complete. Integrated Services Digital Network (ISDN) is a good example of circuit switching. When a router has data for a remote site, the switched circuit is initiated with the circuit number of the remote network. In the case of ISDN circuits, the device actually places a call to the telephone number of the remote ISDN circuit. When the two networks are connected and authenticated, they can transfer data. When the data transmission is complete, the call can be terminated. WAN packet switching. Packet switching refers to protocols in which messages are broken up into small packets before they are sent. Each packet is transmitted individually across the net. The packets may even follow different routes to the destination depending on the type of packet switching. Each packet has header information, which enables to route the packet to its destination. At the destination, the packets are reassembled to form the original message.